Number 1.
My house. I live in a house. My house is small. My house has 2 bedrooms. My mom and dad sleep in one bedroom. My sister and I share the other bedroom. My house has a kitchen. My mom and dad cook dinner there every night. My house has a living room. My family watches television there every night.
Number 2.
First snowfall. Today is November 26th. It snowed all day today. The snow is beautiful. The snow finally stopped. My sister and I are excited. My mom doesn't like the snow. My mom has to shovel the driveway. My sister and I get to play.
Number 3.
Ramadan is the most important season for all Muslims around the world.
Number 4.
I was also surprised when I found out that Ramadan is at a different time each year.
Number 5.
So how was your weekend?
Oh, I went to see that new science fiction movie downtown.
Oh yeah? How was it?
Boring. I think I fell asleep in the middle of it.
Number 6.
What was your weekend like?
Awful.
How come?
I went to the beach for the weekend, but it was cold and wet the whole time.
Oh, yuck.
Number 7.
How was your weekend?
I went to a great outdoor concert and met some really interesting people. And guess what? I met this guy who loves tennis. We're going to get together for a game on Saturday.
So you're not playing tennis with me?
Oh, well, no, sorry.
Number 8.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, I had a great weekend. I was out both Friday and Saturday night with friends. But now I'm so tired. I won't do that again for a while.
Too bad. I was going to ask you out next weekend.
Number 9.
I work on Saturdays and in the school holidays. Saturdays are busy because that's when everyone goes shopping. Our shop sells clothes and accessories for men, women and children. I work in the children's department. It can be crazy sometimes, but it's fun.
Number 10.
I like my job, but lots of people don't like coming to see me because they hate dentists.
Number 11.
My job is very difficult, but I like it because I love flying. I fly planes that take people to different places on holiday. Most of the time I fly in Europe to places like Spain, Greece and Italy. The most difficult thing about my job is when the weather is bad. Snow and thunderstorms are the worst. The best thing is visiting different places.
Number 12.
My job is very difficult, but I like it because I love flying. I fly planes that take people to different places on holiday. Most of the time I fly in Europe to places like Spain, Greece and Italy. The most difficult thing about my job is when the weather is bad. Snow and thunderstorms are the worst. The best thing is visiting different places.
Number 13.
I work in a hospital in the city centre. It's a very big hospital. I help the doctors with the patients. I give them their medicine and look after them when they feel ill. I love my job, but I don't like the uniform, and sometimes I have to work at night.
Number 14.
Where do you work, Ted?
At a hotel. I'm with the Grand City Towers.
Oh, yeah? Do you like it?
It's pretty good. I get to meet some really interesting people.
Oh, are you the manager?
Well, not yet. I'm still carrying bags, but I'm sure I'll be manager before long.
Number 15.
So, you work in an office?
That's right.
How do you like it?
Well, it's pretty boring.
Oh, yeah? What do you do there?
Oh, I type, answer the phone, that sort of thing. And it really doesn't pay much.
So, why do you stay there?
I like my coworkers.
Number 16.
I'm a flight attendant. Many people think it's a boring job, but I love it. I get to travel all over the world, and I meet lots of interesting people. I like that. The job is pretty easy, really. We don't work non-stop for the whole flight. We have plenty of time to sit down and take a break. On long flights, we can even take a nap. Also, the money is very good because all our expenses are paid when we're working.
Number 17.
Mum, Fred's parents have got a new house in the country. It's very big.
That's good. Has it got a garden?
Yes, it has. And there's a lot of fruit.
Oh. Does it have coconuts or bananas?
No, but it's got a lot of pineapples.
Number 18.
I'm hungry, Mum.
What would you like for supper, Daisy? A burger?
No, I had a burger at school today. Can I have some pasta?
Yes, with some juice and bread.
I'm thirsty, but I don't want any bread.
Number 19.
It was Sally's birthday last week.
Oh, what did her parents give her?
I don't know.
She wanted a guitar or a computer.
Well, they didn't give her those. Oh, yes, I know. They gave her a new camera.
She'll like that. She loves taking photos.
Number 20.
Where did your friend Peter go at the weekend?
Well, he wanted to go and watch a basketball game.
So, did he go?
No, he couldn't. His mum wanted to go to the mountains for the weekend, and his dad wanted to go to the sea.
Did he go to the sea then?
No, his dad had to work, but he went with his mum to the mountains.